reading generator comes in handy. So I can just set the target level that I want to choose. So the way that I did it for the basketball text, very simple. I selected A2. I said, okay, give me a text of approximately 200 words. That's very simple. Our topic in this case was the basketball. Obviously, in this case, non-fiction. What you can do as well is you can select the desired grammatical structure or structures. In this case, that was not really necessary, but if I want the text to mainly be in the present tense, I can say, okay, use the present tense or the present simple. I can do it in the past tense. If students have difficulty differentiating certain tenses, this would be ideal. So this is something that you can select in your reading assignments if you so want to. In this case, I'm just going to leave that blank. Basically, you just generate, and that's it. It will now generate a reading assignment for me. In the required level, I think I selected A2, so A2.9. So this is a very simplified text.